Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are covering Red Fort. So this is the same series of Delhi blog where I will be covering most of the important places in Delhi. So today let's cover Red Fort. So we came here Red Fort at 5:30. So as you know, at 4 o'clock this Red Fort gets closed, and there is no entry after that. So even if you are coming after this, you are allowed to enter only after taking the ticket of the light show. So light show begins at 6. So 6 to 7 there is a 1 hour show. So if you want to see it in English, the show starts from 6 to 7, and if you want to see it in Hindi, the show starts from 7 to 8. So be prepared like to come in advance based on your preference. So after covering all the important places in Delhi on Saturday, like there was no much time left, so all the things were closed in the Red Fort. So we decided to go for the light show. We paid 500, so the 500 is the entry ticket for light show. And so as we enter, so as you know, there are two gates, Delhi gate and the Lahori gate. So we are not allowed to enter to Delhi gate. So we are going through this Lahore gate. So as soon as we enter, you see there's a Chhata Chowk, and when you pass through this Chhata Chowk, there is a passaway, and here are like a market. So it is known like this market is from the time of Mughals, like royal people used to buy some precious items from here. Still, it is in operation. So I'm closing my blog. I'm going to like I'm now into the next day. Since it was closed, we were not able to cover Red Fort, so we decided to come to the next day. So yesterday night I had covered most of the places and the Red Fort only the light show. I have covered the light show in one of my another video. Please check out that video. So let's enter Red Fort. So I entered the Red Fort with this Chandni like Chhata Chowk. So it can be entered from the Lahori gate. So as you can see, this is a marvelous building. It's made of a red sandstone. That's why its name is also known as Lal Kila. So this fort has a great resemblance at the time of Mughal era. So after Shah Jahan made this in 1938, it took like almost 10 years to get completed. It completed in 1648. So since Shah Jahan was the ruler, like over the time, like 200 years, all the Mughal emperors were ruling here. So after a period of time, Peshwas have attacked this and they won the Red Fort. But after that also they just placed one Mughal emperor only to be seated in the throne. But still it was being operated by Peshwas. So after that, when Britishers came, they also attacked this Red Fort and they proclaimed this, and this was their center. Uh, so over the time, like a lot of rulers has come and gone. Like so, Delhi was being the capital and the epicenter. So Red Fort was the one was considered as the most important place. Right now we are in the Diwani Arm. So here you can see, yeah, this is known as the courtroom at those times where common people used to come here, and the ruler or the emperor used to hear their whatever they come from and the complaints and the issues they were resolved here, right. So from here we will move ahead to Diwani Khas. So right behind this Diwani arm there is another space which is Diwani Khas, which you can see behind me. In this location, most of the noble men used to meet with the emperor, and any guest used to come, they used to meet with the emperor over here. So after that, we will go to the museum. So in this area of the Red Fort, there are a lot of museums that you can see. This museum which I entered is dedicated to the Indian freedom fighters. So that's it, guys. I will end my blog over here. I hope you enjoyed this blog, was informative. Hope you like it. Thank you.